First, let's import our preset. Go to Effect, right-click, Import Preset, and select your preset. Then Open. And there you have it, your fast editor text slide pack. You have down, left, right, and up. And like you see, there is long and short. Let me show you the difference. Let's use this text for example. To use it, just drag and drop the effect. Long mean the distance. Like you see, it slide from almost out of the frame. It have a long distance. The short one appear just there. It have a short distance. Let me show you an example how to use them. Let's use this. Please like and subscribe. Let's bring down left. And what I like to do is, when it starts to move, I'll actually just click and drag my next text layer over to that starting point. So then the animation will happen. I know that my outro is left. Then I know that I need to actually start with left again. And do the same thing for the next one until you're finished. You can nest them and change the scale and position. This pack is scalable. You can change anything in it. Let's see another use of this pack. Duplicate and stack these layers on top of each other. Select them and drag and drop the effect and offset them. And you have a creative way to slide text. You can be creative with this pack and see what you can make. And if you reach here, you may watch this video next. And on your way, please subscribe and stay creative. See you in the next one. Peace out.